Namaskar. I hope you are all quite well from the epidemic of COVID-19, as it is now going to April form in our locality, and the Sarkar has tried to, and the government has tried to cut down this epidemic form. Hope you are all quite well on the basis of Almighty God. Now, it is the class of standard 6, subject English. Today's lesson, numerical entry. Numerical entry, I have already, numerical entry 2, I have already taken classes about the numerical entry on the page number 61, and the middle of this page. All these are too much for the boys already weak body and mind and lost in conscience. ছেলেটি দুর্বল হয়ে গেছিল এবং সে তার জ্ঞান হারিয়েছিল। Now started, we found everybody including his father by his side when he recovered and to his bedside. যখন ছেলে দেখা গেল খুঁজে পাওয়া যাচ্ছিল না, বিদ্যুতে গাছটা মারা গেল, his father was in tears, তার বাবার চোখে জল এলো। Slowly he came to know that a big lightning had struck the tree. সে জানতে পারলো যে একটা বিদ্যুৎ বজ্রপাত এই গাছটাকে নষ্ট করে দিয়েছে, আঘাত করেছে। Had it not been there, সেটা ছিল না, it was sure to have hit father as if he was getting down from the car at the time. যদি গাড়িতে ছিল তাহলে সে তাকে আঘাত করত। Even while driving, Nimai did not cease to extend his best service to his master's family. যদিও গাছটা মারা যায়, তাহলে গাছটাকে দিন ধরে তার মাস্টার ফ্যামিলিকে সার্ভিস দিয়ে এসছে, পরিষেবা দিয়ে এসছে, সে পরিষেবা করতে যাবে। Next morning, everybody was amazed at what they saw. পরের দিন সকালে বলা গেল উপর থেকে কি দেখলো? Only a slip on Toru's table that said he was going out with their old servant Posa. তারপর টেবিলে একটা স্লিপে লেখা আছে যে নিমাই তো কাজটা করে গেছে, তরু তাদের বাড়ির চাকর পোশাকের সাথে বেরিয়ে গেছে। As hours passed, সময় অতিবাহিত হল। Everybody was amazed and they saw. As hours passed, the parents became more and more anxious and impatient. বাবা মা অধৈর্য হয়ে গেল, তারা উদ্বিগ্ন হলেন। তরু's father, uncle and friends went out to search at hospital, police stations, his friends' places, but nobody could get any news from any corner. তরুর বাবা, কাকা, আত্মীয় স্বজন তারা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় তো খোঁজাখুঁজি করছে, কিন্তু কোন জায়গায় তো খুঁজে পাওয়া গেল না, কোনো খবর এলো না, কোন দিক থেকে কোনো খবর পাওয়া গেল না। A 14-year-old boy and his old servant seem to have vanished from the city. 14 বছরের একটি ছেলে এবং বৃদ্ধ চাকর বাড়ি থেকে উধাও হয়ে গেল। It was almost 8:30 at night. তখন রাত্রি 10:30। Every room of the house was lighted. It was full of people. প্রত্যেকটা বাড়ি, প্রত্যেকটা রুম আলো ফেলছে, ইলেকট্রিক আলো। But it was full of people. লোকে গমন করছে, but nobody talked. Mother could not cry anymore. কেউ মাকে বলছে আর কেন না, এই কথা কেউ বলতে পারছে না। She was staring vacantly at the burnt remains Nimai. Nimai যে আগুনে পুড়ে গেছে বলতে লাগে, সেটার জন্য কাঁদছে, সেটার জন্য কাঁদছে, তার ছেড়ে চলে গেছে। Suddenly somebody shouted, "He is coming!" Everybody rushed out. হঠাৎ করে দেখলো চিৎকার করে বলছে সে আসছে। তরু could be seen at a distance, followed by Posa. অনেক দূরে তরুকে দেখা গেল তরু আসছে, আর তার আগে আসছে কে? প্রসাদ। প্রসাদ and Prasad of the family. The boy had walked a long way, as shown by the sweating forehead and dust over her knees. হাঁটুতে ধুলো, গোটা বডিটা কাদা, ঘাম, ধুলো বাড়িতে কাদা হয়ে গেছে, সত্যি কভার হয়ে গেছে স্টর্ম, ঝড় বাতাস এবং ঘামে। Overtaken by his big triumphant smile, মুখে হাসি ফুটেছে। He was holding a small neem plant with two hands, like a piece of gem. এটা একটা মূল্যবান সম্পদের মতো, তোর দু হাতে একটা ছোট্ট নিম গাছের চাল ধরে আসছে। আমরা দেখি ফুটবল খেলায় বা কোনো টুর্নামেন্টে জয়লাভ করে যখন কাপ পাই, কাপটা দু হাত করে হিপি ঘুরবে আনন্দে, এটা তাদের কাছে মূল্যবান সম্পদ থেকে খেলোয়াড়দের কাছে, স্টুডেন্টদের, প্লেয়ারদের কাছে ঠিক একই ভাবে তরুণ গাছের ছোট্ট নিচাটা একটা মূল্যবান সম্পদ, তাই সে ধরে আসছে। এভরিবডি ট্রাই টু কোশ্চেন, এখন প্রত্যেকের আগে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞেস করছি, বাট হি অ্যানসার অনলি হিজ মাদার, একমাত্র সে তার মায়ের প্রশ্ন উত্তর দিচ্ছে। মা, at last I found grandpa's old gardener house. আমি অবশেষে আমার দাদুর পুরনো মানের বাড়িতে কি পেলাম? with the help of প্রসাদ আঙ্কেল, প্রসাদ কাকার সহায়তায় আমি পুরনো আমার যে ঠাকুর আছে সে ঠাকুর পুরনো মানের বাগানে একটা নিম চাষ দিলাম। His face was illuminated by the luster which his grandpa had passed on him. Passed on to him, তার মুখ আলোয় ভরে গেল। I got this plant from there. I would like to plant it at the same place. আমি এই গাছটাকে সেই জায়গায় লাগাবো, আমি সেই জায়গায় গাছটাকে সেইভাবে লাগাবো। This is the topic. I have finished it. Now, this is the homework. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. We have to cut down Nina to make a garage for the car. This is the filler. Garage. Second, question number 2b. He turned almost blue by the severity of the shock. दुखे तक ऊपर गिर गया. C. The tree cutter would come next morning. जाए गाछ का ठेला काटे सोए आसके. He came to know that a big lightning had struck the tree. से जानते हैं कि वो पंचमान भाषा का आरंभ करें. Question number 8. A 14 years old boy and an old servant had vanished from the city. 14 বছরের একটি ছেলে এবং বাড়ি কমে যাওয়ার এই শহর থেকে বিস্তার হয়ে গেছে। Question number 1. What news did Toru's mother tell Toru, who is made him excited? Toru was excited by hearing the news from his mother that a new car will be bought and a garage will be set up in lieu of the old neem tree Nimai. Why was Toru arguing with his parents? Toru was 14 years young boy. He was going to argue with his father about the utility of the neem tree, about his grandfather's memory. So he made an argue with his father. But on the contrary, his father suggested him that if he had better suggestion to make a garage, he may say to him. This is the theme of the argument. Number C, 1C. How did he lose his conscience? Toru, a 14 years old boy, too much love and affection, the Nimai, the neem tree, which was planted by his late grandfather. He considered the tree not only a living being but as a family member too. When he heard from his mother, his condition was like a fish out of water. So, it is the very cause for his consciousness, for his loss of consciousness. How did Nimai save the life of Toru's father? How did Nimai save the life of Toru's father? কিভাবে তোর বাবাকে রক্ষা করেছিল? When it was going to arguing between father and son, God fate upon them. It was an irony of fate. In this critical situation, it is very difficult to remove father or son from their standpoint. So this critical situation, God judged in his own hand. A big light struck on Nimai's body and Nimai is going to burn and he is dead. In this way, the nature solved the problem and saved Toru's father's life. What do you think about Toru? What kind of boy he was? According to text, we may consider that Toru was very argument, but it is not true. It is natural sin. When a little child loved anything, he or she was hurt very much. In his tender age, they have no compassion in their heart to tolerate such an struck which was going to happen on Toru's family. Nimai the tree, it was planted by his late grandfather, who was serviced in a multi-purpose company, but Toru came to know his grandfather. That the neem tree is not only a tree, it is not only a tree, it has many medicine power, it has many medical quality. From its very root to leaves, its bark and timber, everything is very medicated, and everything is very useful to human being. So the utility and its medical power is very charmed by Toru. So, from this point now we may say that Toru is too much conscious about the environment, about the pollution of the environment. This is the homework. Question number 1, 2, and 3. Explain why he was turned blue by the severity of the shock. It was like one had dropped a bombshell on the ground. Nimai did not cease to extend his best service to the master family. His grace was limited by the master which was grandpa had passed on to him. This is the one. Next class, I will teach you the notice and the vocabulary. Namaskar.